Wow! Take a look at your all-new Video Communication Center. From reports, training materials, products to whoa! And let's not forget our all-new Account Manager. All the information you need is right here. Take a look at our revolutionary new Quick Launch. All your products, links, and more are always just a click away. Well, 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 what do we have here? It's what you've been waiting for, the world's first video newsletters. The easy-to-use Design Studio lets you build the perfect video newsletter for any application. Create your own or use one of more than 400 templates crafted by our award-winning graphics team. Upload your own banner and images. Double-click on headlines and text to say anything in your own words. It's even Unicode compatible. You can even rearrange the look of the template by simply clicking and dragging image blocks, text, and your video. Whoa! You can even remove elements, including the player, completely. Hey, where did I go? Select an eye-catching TalkFusion opportunity template. Pick a stunning product template. Or choose from more than 400 vibrant designs in dozens of useful themes. There's a video newsletter here for every subject or occasion. All of them can be quickly and easily customized to fit your look or brand. It's that easy. Then just click Send. Sending a video newsletter is so simple. It's just like sending a video email. TalkFusion's notification system lets you know when your newsletter video is watched. And our real-time reports let you track views, forwards, click-throughs, and more. All the information you need is right here. Tell your whole team to get ready for another spectacular video communication milestone as TalkFusion takes another step toward becoming the next billion-dollar brand.